Understanding Ceiling Insulation, a warm guide for beginners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the world of ceiling insulation. This topic might sound a bit technical, but don't worry, we'll break it down into simple terms. By the end of this video, you'll understand what ceiling insulation is, why it's important, and how it benefits your home. So, let's get started and dive into the details together. Ceiling insulation refers to the material used to prevent heat from entering or leaving your home through the ceiling. It acts like a blanket that keeps your home warm in the winter and cool in the summer. This insulation is usually made from materials like fiberglass, wool, or foam. The key idea here is that it reduces the heat flow between the inside and outside of your home, making it more energy efficient and comfortable. Now, you might wonder why ceiling insulation is such a big deal. Well, it has several significant benefits. Energy efficiency. By maintaining a stable indoor temperature, insulation reduces the need for heating and cooling systems to work overtime. This means lower energy bills for you. Comfort. Insulation helps eliminate cold spots and overheating in your home, providing a more comfortable living environment. Environmental impact. Using less energy for heating and cooling also means reducing your carbon footprint, making ceiling insulation a green choice for your home. There are different types of ceiling insulation, each with its own set of benefits. Batts and rolls, made from fiberglass or mineral wool. These are easy to install and are ideal for spaces with standard joist spacing. Loose fill. This type is blown into place, making it great for attics with irregular joist spacing or numerous obstructions. Spray foam provides an airtight seal and is perfect for filling gaps, but it's typically more expensive. Choosing the right insulation depends on several factors. Climate. The insulation needs vary depending on whether you live in a cold or hot climate. R value. This measures the insulation's resistance to heat flow. The higher the R value, the better the insulation's effectiveness. Your home's specific needs. Consider the age of your home, existing insulation, and any unique features that might affect insulation needs. We hope this video has shed some light on the importance of ceiling insulation and how it can make your home more energy efficient, comfortable, and environmentally friendly. Remember, choosing the right insulation for your home can save you money and make a significant difference in your living environment. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this information helpful. Stay warm and cozy, and see you in our next video.